sorry, external JavaScript. And there it is. Okay. So this file you can link like this. If both the files are on separate location, then you have to put the entire path. Okay. So now what are we doing? What is there in this message.js file? There is a message function. Okay. So in body tag, I have to create one button, but button is a part of form tag only. So within form only I can create button. So in form, I am taking input tag, input type is equal to button. So a button will be created. We can click on the button. When I will click on button, something should happen. Okay, so button is having one event, on click event. This is an event. When I will click on the button, what should happen? It should give you one message. The message I have stored in this MSG function. MSG function I have written in message.js. Okay. So when I will execute this button, this demo3.html, it will give you one button. When I will click on the button, it will take the reference of JavaScript file. So this is known as external JavaScript. You have to save a file with .js extension and then link with script tag. See what I told you, script tag will be there in all three types. This is JavaScript within body, so script is there. This is JavaScript within head part, so script is there as well. And demo 3, this is JavaScript in external file. So script tag will be there in all the example. Here you can use link tag as well. But better, you don't remember so many tags, you remember only one script tag only. Let me execute it. Demo3.js, sorry, demo3.html. So there will be one button, and when I will click on the button, it will give you one message. Hello student is the message that we have written in MSG function. And this is known as alert box. Okay, this is an alert. See, it will give you some alert message only. You cannot write anything. You cannot do OK, cancel. It will give you one OK button only. Okay, so it's a message only. It's like alert message. Alert message is something like, are you sure you want to close? That is like an alert message. So for that, we will use inbuilt function alert. Some other functions are also there. That we will study one by one. Okay. So as of now, what we have studied, we have started JavaScript. And we have to do so many things in JavaScript. Comments of JavaScript, that is simple. See, now we are doing programming. Okay, now we are doing scripting. It is not a tag. So comment of programming comment, we will use single line and multi-line that you are using in your C language. After that, how to declare variable. One small example I have given you now by using where keyword. Okay, but we will study it in detail. After that, data type would be there, operators would be there, arithmetic operator, comparison operator. So this is good for you. We will revise C language as well. Okay, so this unit is very important for you. It covers maximum marks and it will revise entire C language as well. So we will do these operators. Then we will do conditions, if else, ladder, switch case. And then we will do loop, for loop, while loop, do while loop, nested loop. Then we will learn function. So this unit is a revision of C language, but the syntax would be JavaScript. Okay, so we have to cover so many topics. Okay, so from now onwards, not a single student will remain absent. please don't be absent from now onwards. And at the end of the session, at the end of this unit, I will show you how to publish your own website. So now you tell me your attendance, whoever were present. Mohammed, what is your number?
706.
I am literally not getting your voice. This one, 26.
7206.
Okay. Hello, present. Is there anybody came late?
7201.
7201. Abhishek,
7203.
nahi ho beta. Next, is there anybody?
7203.
03. દર્શન.
Yes, ma'am.
તમે લોકો છોકરાઓ હવે રેગ્યુલર રહેજો હો ને, પછી છે ને આગળનું નહીં સમજાય તમને. જાવાસ્ક્રિપ્ટ ઈઝી છે પણ આપણી પાસે એટલો ટાઈમ નથી. ચલો, is there anybody who came late? Or is there anybody who has any doubt? And I request you guys to be regular. Now, please don't be absent because your need would be there, then the revision test is there, then final exam would be there. Okay, so you don't have time to revision. All right, so if you have any doubt when you are doing study at your home, at your hostel, then you can contact me. If I am not in another session, then I will reply you immediately.